Hi everyone. Good day. My name is Chi Zhang, and I'm from the Agriculture and Biological Engineering Department at the University of Florida. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of data structure, understanding the data structure that is fundamental to developing efficient software and algorithm. But if you are new to the data science, you don't need to worry about this too complex to understand. Because today, we're going to only talk about and discuss the very easy to understanding the data structure. So, okay, we get started. First, we study from the definition. We need to ask yourself, what exactly is a data structure? Simply put, a data structure is a way of organizing and storing data so that it can be accessed and modified efficiently. It represents the logical relationship between individual elements of data. In this course, we will delve into arrays, linked lists, and stacks. Discover, okay, after the definition, we'll jump to the next slides. It's the importance of this structure. Why we need data structure? Because data structure play a critical roles in the designing algorithm and the program. You can see the program you need to have the algorithm to uh to design your method, just like if you want to design a code to run some functions, you need to have the algorithm it's like the root, but the data structure just like the base. You have to you have to you have to have this root as a root, so your car can that's just like the algorithm so like a car, so your algorithm can run on the root. So this structure is like that root. And the data structure is represented the logical relationship between individual element of data. This course we're essentially talking about a program. What is for how the program works. It's a combination of the algorithm and the data structure. As you know, an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving specific problems. Just like in this picture, if you just like this, we assuming that it's a node work. People are starting on each node, and this root is like this structure connecting with each other in the network. Next, we talk about the what is array. That is the most common used data structure in the data science. Let's start with this. An array is a collection of elements. All of this is some type stored in the continuous memory locations. This means an array can hold integers, floating point numbers, or characters, but not a mix of those. Arrays are one of the most common used data in the structure. You can see the array most time you can store your code, your data into the array. This is your element 2, 4, 10, 5. Maybe if your data is the 10 years data, there should come some index for each data. Just like now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means it's a number 1 data is 2, number 2 is 4. So it's good for you in the future if you do some sorting or searching. It's a good structure for you to do that. Next is a linked list. Unlike the array, linked list consists of nodes, which are each node contain data and a reference to the next node in the sequence. This structure allows for efficient insertion and deletion of elements. Here is the visual representation of a linked list. We can see there is height and there is just like the pointing to just like I don't know if you learn some C++, there is the pointer, but if you use Python, there is a pointer too, but it's different with C++. But one way, just like if you know the pointer, what it means, that it means from one data or from one node, you're going to pointing to another node or another data. That's just like in a certain location, just like in the structure. They are pointing to letting you know, oh, after you access this data, it will give some information and pointing to another data, just like this. And now we all know the stacks and bubble sort is a particle. just like stacks, and stacks are not fundamental data structure. They allow you to last in and first out based on the LIFO principle. Means that the last element added to the stack is first one to the removed. It's particular use of in the scenario like a function or function or call management in the programming language. To put understanding in the practical, look at the bubble sort algorithm. This algorithm is an array be repeatedly stepping through the list, comparing adjacent element and swiping them if they are in the wrong order. This process is repeated until the last is sorted. You can see the initial is 5, 3, 8, 4, 6. And the spiral 2 and step 1, I will compare the first two pair 5, 3, and if the second one is smaller than first one, that will remove the second one to the first location. That means you're gonna finish with bubble sort the first step, and step 2 is similar things, but remove to the next step. It's from the second number and the third number and compare them. Now, if the second one is smaller than the third one, it will keep the same order. That's like a step. It's a step that repeat until no more swipe required. Maybe it's not straightforward. We'll give you some live definition of bubble sort. You can see after the first one, 6 and 5 select. If the 5, we know 5 is smaller 6, so we swipe, and the 6, 3, and the 3 smaller 6, so it will swipe to the left. And the 6, 1 is same, and swipe 1 to the 6. So that is basically what we talk about is very time limited 10 minutes representation. That's all. Thank you.